at ya with a whole lot of dumb shit. Yes, sir. I am on my way to go get change my fucking oil. Got some new shit I'm hoping to do to the race car.
I, Thomas Twining, proclaim that in 300 years I shall create a delicious tea to help even the humblest peasant live a long and healthy life.
300 years? But I'll be dead by then.
So, yeah, so I was looking shit up about my suspension, and clearly I can go lower. And so it's been bugging me that I feel like my car's just stupid high still. So, and I'm gonna put smaller. I'm gonna put a smaller tire on my car as well. Ooh, you fucking bitch! I went the wrong fucking fat fucking way, you fucking fuck. So yeah, I'm gonna do smaller tires. I'm gonna fucking lower the car way more. I'm hoping I can fucking push the camber a little more. So yeah, that's my goal for this weekend. If I have to, I'll flare the fucking quarters and the fenders more. Don't really give a fuck about doing that. So yeah. I'm gonna order those quick releases for the bumper, but I'm gonna order the ones that they're 2 pieces. I don't want the button one. I know fucking they might be cheap, but I think it would be a lot easier, like when I flare the metal, to fucking install them. So I'm just I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go that route. Whatever. But yo, man, who the fuck are these little kids that are coming to the car show fucking inspecting everybody's fucking car and shit, man? I probably said this in one of my other videos, dude, but that shit really bugs me, you know? Like, they come down and they ain't got a fucking car, never been in the car scene, you got the nerve to fucking talk some shit about somebody else's car. Like, come on, dude, you guys are fucking 12, coming down here fucking shining shit with your fucking flashlight and shit, and you're looking at some raw dog cars, and you got the nerve to say the shit is fake, man. You're looking at fucking slap you in the fucking mouth, you know? Like, people work hard for the shit they have, you know? And like, you got some fucking kid who gets dropped off by his fucking dad, and he's got nerve to go tell his other fucking friends, you know, his other little fucking clique of fucking little children, fucking, that car is fake. I'm like, get the fuck out of here, dog. That shit ain't fucking, you're retarded. You're fucking stupid. But, whatever. So yeah, fucking, that's what I'm trying to do, because I don't know the kid's name. He's got the Subaru wagon that's fucking cambered fucking hella in the fucking back. That thing is the fucking, I love how fucking deep that fucking camber is. I just need to have my shit look like that, dude. Like, I saw his shit and I was just like completely fucking gnarlied out by it. So yeah, that's what I'm shooting for, is to get some gnarlier camber going. I gotta order a front lip. I gotta fucking order I want to do side skirts. Not like some fucking corny ass ones. But I don't know. I got some looking around to do. But I'm about to get my fucking groove on and sing some shit. So I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Peace. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Couple bangers.
What's up?
What's up, sir? Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Yeah. I got a channel, so I gotta be fucking corny and stupid. I try to do cool shit, but it's usually not cool because I'm fucking corny.
Well, where were you last Friday?
I was down there. I get your cars on my channel. I figure it's been a while, so you probably forgot how fucking ugly I was.
Oh, that's right. I did see you for a little bit, but then you left. But...
Yeah. Well, I got there at like 8:30 with Nate.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. And then, you know, we were down there for a couple of hours. I was like, fuck, I gotta go. Oof. Yeeks.
Our thing.
It's some. Who's bangers out there? I know that red coupe is that, what's that? Some young kid, huh?
Yeah, it works for us.
Oh, does he? Oh, right on. Whose white tag is that?
Another one of our customers. That's just a shell.
Oh,
He's
nice.
got like a JDM front clip. He's just using shit off of that.
Oh, right. Right on.
And then, yeah. And then seen Johnny's CRV, haven't you?
Nah.
Oh.
No. I've been on a loop for a minute, you know what I'm saying? I'm third world fucking corny. Dude, look at that. That is something. I forgot how rad that snap-on box was. Jesus Christ. Lucas, you got a garbage can out here, bud?
Yeah.
Is this it right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo. Yes, they are.
What up, kid?
What's up, man? Say hi to the camera.
Hey, camera.
Yes, sir. What's going on, brother?
How you doing?
Not too bad. Yeah. Yeah, we're back at it. So this is my man John's fucking CRV. Now, see, this shit is sick. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Oh, Lord have mercy. That thing is fucking sick. That shit is sick, dogs. It's a fucking CRV, dude. Beater banger. Beater banger. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna build, a beater banger. Beater banger. Uh-oh. This is fucking rad. Now what, this is just a stock B20, right?
Yeah. Just studs. That's all.
That's awesome. I need to join the group and get some turbo shit. Dude, this thing is so rad. This thing boogies, man. For like just being in this little backstretch.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is so rad.
Gets out of its own way.
For being what it is, man, like this thing is super freaking cool. Yes. That is awesome.
I wish it was a little more dialed in to the seat.
Now what, you just have it on like a street tune?
I downloaded a base map and I've just been working off of that to get my air fuels where they need to be.
Hell yeah.
So I've only ripped on it a few times.
Dude, I'm not even gonna lie, dude. I am super excited about this CRV, man. And it's rad to see someone actually, like, because you know what you're doing. These new kids, man, they wouldn't even know what to do with a B20. I'm riding a turbo Civic or something. It is, dude. I had fun just riding it because it's so, you don't think about this, dude.
It's just unassuming.
Yes. Dude. This makes me want to boost something even more, dude. Hell yeah. Nice. Oh,
You're fine. Should, I don't mind a lock. Try it.
there we go. Yeah. That thing is rad, dude.
Did you see the front?
Dude, is that a lip for these or is that just the stock?
That's off like 2012 Grand Cherokee.
Really?
Yeah.
That thing is rad,
I'm
dude.
not the first person to do that. I caught
That's all right.
it's an SR20 intercooler.
Oh, wow. So there's some gnarly work done.
It's all custom. Like they don't make it.
No.
It's working.
Hell yeah. There it is. Sleeper. Beater banger. That's the coolest fucking ride I've seen so far.
Very quick.
Oh, it boogies for what it is. Fuck yeah. On a good old R garage. John just finished up my oil. Go over here and check these janks out. It's that young buck from fucking Car Meets, this true EM1. Oh yeah, it's true. Oh yeah, tag shell. CRV, it's all rimmed up. I think that one's John's. There's another one back there. I think that's John's too. It's fucking lowered. Shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Party time. Yeah. JDM.